Hopefully this is the last time you see me replace a door handle on this channel. Probably will be, because if it happens again, I'm not filming it. How y'all doing? I'm Big Al, and welcome back to the garage. Back here with my 2016 Toyota Camry. Because you remember when I JB welded the door handle back together? Well, didn't hold. Nah, seriously, don't look so shocked. Worked for a couple of days and broke again. So, as you can see, I've already completed the repair, but I'm shooting the intro last for some reason. I got some replacement handles off Amazon for $21 for a set of 4, which is a whole lot better than Toyota wanting almost $80 for one of them. The only catch is it's not the right color, so we're going to have to paint it. With that, let's get to it. Oh, by the way, if you're new to the channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Now let's get to it. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is just shoot this with a little primer. Damn it. Went a little thick in one spot. And I don't think this is all that necessary. I mean, you would never tell if you were looking at the car from 100 yards away. But I'm that anal. This is our paint, some Duplicolor GM, I think it's called Iridium. My car is painted Toyota Cosmic Gray, and it is the one color Duplicolor doesn't seem to make. Lucky me, right? So, I'm going to start off to the side and actually try to hit the thing I'm trying to paint. Missed it on slightly. That is definitely the wrong color, but that's the primer bleeding through. Ah, this stuff stinks. Wow. I am bad at this. Oh wow, that's actually got some nice metal flake to it. Yeah. Decent enough for government work. Alright, so the first thing we gotta do is we gotta take this cover out here. Easy enough to do. Of all the door handles in this car to break, the front one is the one you want to break. It's the easiest to change. You don't have to take the whole door panel off. Inside here is a T30 bolt. You just want to loosen it. Not going to go whole hog and use an impact on it. This is going to remove the lock cylinder. This is the only door that actually has a lock cylinder for the key. Right here. Cover is already busted off of it, so let's see. Can I loosen this enough? I did. Alright. I'm just going to put that in here. Now, pull this forward. Hopefully there's a lever back here that this has to hook, this part has to hook behind. And we'll take care of that shortly. The door is unlocked. It's right here. It's black, so you can't see it. I'll zoom in a moment. This is the part that busted off. It's got to come forward also. That's going to make for a challenge. You have to do it a bit of force, and I should be able to just snap this handle in place and have it catch. That's what we're going to try. You need to go in, and you need to go in. That was really all it takes. Well, I'll be darned. That's all we needed to do. Snap it in place. I didn't even need to worry about that stupid lever. Now I'm going to put the lock cylinder back in place, which will hold that handle in place, hopefully. Tighten this down with RT30. Now I just got to put the cover over this, and we should be good. See, you know, it's definitely not that great of a match in terms of the paint, but definitely close enough for government work. Okay, so we just snap this cover back on. I've got more of them if this doesn't hold, so. The ultimate test. Uh-huh. All right. Well, anyway, that's about it for today. Oh, we forgot to put the cap back on the, we gotta put this guy back in here. Alright, now that's really it for today. Once again, I hope you will please like, share, and subscribe. Hopefully, this is the last time you see me replace a door handle on this channel. Probably will be, because if it happens again, I'm not filming it. Anyway, that's it for today. Catch you on the next installment.